Is skepticism and doubt stopping you from moving ahead on this journey? Are you constantly questioning if this real? Is this really happening to me? Am I going crazy? Then this video is for you. Hi, my friends. Welcome to my channel. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. I am sure that you have had many doubts while walking on this path, and it's normal. It's very, very normal to have these questions come up. It's a new path. It is a new way. This way has never been revealed on earth. And even if we look at the scriptures and the religions, even the oldest religions, there are hints of it, but not a complete path. So you may have doubts, is he my twin flame? You may have doubts, is this journey real? You may have doubts such as, are twin flames real? That's okay, my friends. I would first suggest to clear all your doubts, mentally at least, read Jeff and Shalia's book, Twin Flames, Finding Your Ultimate Lover. And you will also receive immense clarity from that book. That book describes who twin flames are, how were they created, and why are we exploring this topic now? What is the cause of it? And how can you attract your true twin flame? Whether you know who your twin flame is, whether you are in union or in separation, it does not matter. In whatever stage you are, this book is amazing and you will get all your answers. You continue reading that book. You can also register for the free intro course by Jeff and Shalia. I'm going to leave the link in the description. And you'll start to gain an understanding intellectually. That's one thing, understanding something intellectually, but deep down in your feelings, in your thought process, in your choices, this journey questions everything on your path, because this path is a pathway to heaven. It's a pathway to heaven on earth. And that means all the laws are of God. They are not of ego consciousness. So if all the laws are of God, then we have to change the way we have been living all this while, which means you may have come on this planet many times before, and you may have accumulated a lot of karma, or even deep down choices that are out of alignment with how God had intended you to live. Couple of them are choosing to live from control, going behind fear, and trying to manifest things from the mind by force, and not actually surrendering to how God desired your life to be. We tend to copy others. We tend to watch how others are living. So this actually fogs our senses. It fogs everything everything that is divine in us. We're not used to living in our divine vibration at all. And once we understand what our divine vibration is, it will be easier and easier for us to surrender the choices that we had made from fear. It is a journey of giving up fear and coming into total love. And of course, ascension and nirvana in oneness with our creator, God himself. So you may ask, what do I do with these doubts? I get it. I get what you're saying. I would suggest look at the book that I've suggested in this video. Look at chapter number 5, which is the mirror exercise. If you don't know what mirror exercise is, that's where to look at. And read how to do the mirror exercise. The mirror exercise is a very powerful tool. It's a 4-step exercise that allows you to go into your consciousness and reveal where are you holding on to vibrations that are coming from fear or attachment or control, which is a detriment on your twin flame journey, which is actually blocking you and which is also causing these doubts. Once you start clearing your consciousness with the mirror exercise, it'll be easier for you to gauge whether the thoughts and the feelings you're currently having, are they coming from fear or they're coming from love? If it's love, it's easy to surrender. If it's fear, you'll have to make new choices and let those thoughts go. You'll have to make choices. That also means things will start changing in your life and you'll have to be comfortable with it. And believe me, I have been on this path for a couple of years now. I love making choices from love, and it has been transformational for me to actually surrender and let go all the choices that are coming from fear, all the choices that are coming from attachment, that are coming from control, and surrendering to how God desires me to live. I can say it is not easy to start with, but once you get the hang of it, the life becomes easier and easier, and your doubts they just run away. You never have doubts because you don't live in the intellectual side of your mind. You allow all your senses to help you. You run with your intuition and trusting in your divine senses to help you guide and glide through life. All right, my friends, if you like this video, share and like and subscribe, and I will see you in next videos. Ciao.